Yeah, the thing with San Francisco downtown is there's not too many places to go fast. It is hilly, but I don't know, top speed doesn't really help here, but I guess having torque helps go up those hills. But definitely, I'm gonna check out more of the suburbia next time. We're gonna go down O'Farrell, which is supposed to be the downtown shopping area. Oh wow, all the hotels are just completely empty. So this street is always busy, right? But you can see there's absolutely no cars today. That's pretty crazy. Sadly, go ahead and go to the right over here. Yeah, sometimes I'll wait like an hour to just park at that parking lot over there, but yeah, today's just completely empty. So sad to say. Oh yeah, and look at this. This is supposed to be pretty busy place right here. It's completely empty. Wow. Oh fuck. That's not good. Well, I think I'm gonna head home. It's sort of depressing here. Yeah, San Francisco quarantine sucks. Look at all this stuff. It's all empty, man. Get through there, yeah. Through here. Yeah, it's pretty empty over here. Ooh. I need to get back to 3rd Street. Yeah, 4th Street might work too. People are waiting in line to get into the Target. About 20 people in line. Not too bad. Oh God, you know what? Yeah, we'll go this way. This nice little action here. Oh God. Okay, wait. interesting walkway here. 3rd Street. Oh, this is where I want to go. 3rd and Brent. All right. Well, an interesting day. So San Francisco, you don't actually really need so much range, I would say, because you're not going full throttle most of the time. And I think we're on Harrison. Shoot. Okay, I might be getting lost here. Nope. You don't need such a big range here because you don't go full throttle like where I live, so it's a little bit different. So I should get better range actually than my Vestar that I did the other day. But right here is pretty nice to ride on the sidewalks here. I'm actually a little lost. I know where I'm going. I gotta have to find Harrison. I think I went the wrong way, so I'm gonna have to go back and find it. Oh no, I'm in the right. It's just the next one. Whole Foods, there's about a dozen people in line, not too bad. But I gotta get back on Harrison so I can find my car. Where's Harrison? Anyway guys, I am at still 3 bars out of 5, so maybe 60% battery life. Let's look at the range here. I did 8 miles, so I could shortly do 16, no problem. Maximum speed 22 miles per hour, average speed 7 miles per hour. So I wasn't able to go that fast just due to all the stop signs and stoplights. So I'll have to redo this test. But for right now, if you're going to ride in near downtown San Francisco, your range is going to be fine. I think you're going to get at least 16, probably like around 20. Anyway, that's it today. Have a great day, guys.